Hey, good afternoon all. It's Brian Schumann coming to you again from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri, just a stone's throw south of Kansas City. On a nice winter day that's actually pretty cold out, but it's one of the last few days of February, and we're looking forward to March for some warm weather. And speaking of warm weather, we're in this 2017 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 36LA. That is nice and toasty and warm. We have the heat on. It's about 75 degrees in here, and it's really, really nice. But this is a new trade we got in, and I want to share this with you. It's got about 11,000 miles on it. This one has the V10 Triton engine in it, and it's only got, like I said, about 11,000 miles, but it's really, really in nice shape. Notice up here in the cab, you've got all your controls and shades and your generator start, cup holders, mirror adjustments. You have a nice size screen that'll again show you some navigation, as well as your hydraulic leveling system that's on this coach. Again, this is the V10. It's about 460 pounds of foot torque, 5,000 pound hitch, and with so little miles on it, it's just very, very optimal for you to jump out and jump into your first coach. If this happens to be your first coach, a nice gasser like this would be a super investment. It's got a neat floor plan that just kind of flows really well and accommodates a lot of people, and I want to show you that. So as you come into the coach, you're approached by your kitchen on your left. You've got two sinks that are deep. You've got a 3-burner cooktop and a nice microwave convection on top, some backsplash, a nice window, so you get a nice airy view, and it feels comfortable. If you're looking outside and you're tailgating, you can see your party out there. Directly across from that, you've got a generous booth dinette, and I like the way this will also fold down to become a bed, and you've also got the padded areas along the back, so if you want to lean up against that and watch TV either there or back here, you could do that. But these are very large enough where you could fit 2 people on each side extremely comfortably. Plenty of storage up above, nice, good, solid Tiffin cabinetry. And as you come back, you've got a kind of a J couch that'll fold out and extend, and the back seat and the floor will come up, so you have this kind of J shape. This will come out to be a bed, and we have this coffee table set out here just to show you what it looks like when it's in place, and you can move it out to wherever you want to, but if you want to have a dinner, a lunch, a snack, maybe set up a party tray out here and entertain, it's certainly a nice setting for that. And of course, directly across from that, you have your Maytag refrigerator and LG TV and fireplace right across from that. And you have a recliner if one of you wants to be antisocial and sit by yourself. You have a place you can snuggle up with your lap dog and watch TV or take a power nap. As we come back in, this is a 1.5 bath model. So here's a half bath in the mid coach. And it's a nice deep bathroom. I like the way the sink's recessed. You have a window, fantastic fan up above, and plenty of space for your guests to accommodate their basic human needs. As you come into the master bedroom, you have a ceiling fan and 2-door entryway into a nice wardrobe. That's nice and deep and is lit up when you open it up. You have a queen bed, plenty of dresser space, another LG TV in here. You have your own thermostat back here to control this, and you have a window that you can also open up and let some natural light and air into this coach. In the master bedroom, you got a generous radius shower with a bench on it, places for your linen, which again, these shelves can be adjustable, and lots of drawers that you can use to fill up with your bath needs and personal needs. Skylight up above, another fantastic fan, plenty of spaces for your towels and towel racks, mirrors, again more vanity space both above and below. And here's your combination washer dryer, neatly tucked in below the solid surface counter of this coach, which again, you also have another window over here to let some natural light in. Porcelain stool, vents all throughout the ceiling so you get a nice even flow of air conditioning as well as heat that comes from below. Reading lights over the bed. I like all the pillows. nice job, Katie. It looks very nice. So this is a 2017 open road Allegro 36LA that we just got in. Only about 11,000 miles. Gas coach in great shape. There's some outside pictures that we're going to show you also. We're still looking for used coaches, so if you have like a 2012 or newer coach, give us a call. We'd be interested in looking at it and probably giving you a buy bid. Also, like us on Facebook and watch our TikTok videos every now and then that Katie will put out. Love to be able to connect with you. Again, my name is Brian Schumann here at Transwest. Love to be able to show you this coach. If you're interested, give me a call, 816-892-5945. Now remember my phone number. Talk to you again soon. Safe travels.